What's up, Fomo fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to finalize our crypto community portfolio. So we are building a portfolio in this bear market so we can make a shitload of money in the next bull run, because a lot of money is to be made if you time this correctly and if you do not give up, right? I'm making this challenge. I'm going to give away a crypto portfolio. So I'm building 4 crypto portfolios for the people that don't know. One with coins called by Crypto Banter, one by Alex Becker, one by BitBoy, and one by you guys, the community. And you gave a lot of calls. So I had like 60 coins in this portfolio. Lately in this playlist, I made, every video I was reviewing these coins, right? Like here I was reviewing Mina, K, Casper, well, etc, etc, etc. So we now know about all these projects, and it wasn't the best research. Some people were like, oh, you do bad research. Yeah, dude, I'm researching 5 coins in 40 minutes. Of course it can be that specific, right? Therefore, always check it out for yourself as well. It's your portfolio, not mine. I'm just giving you the basics right here, right? So, but a lot of guys responded to these videos. So we're going to take a look at the comments of these videos to see which coins are staying and which coins are going. And we're going to end up with 15 coins right now. So once Bitcoin hits $100,000, we're going to take a look at these 4 different portfolios, and the portfolio with the most gains is going to you guys. And all you have to do for now is just subscribe to the channel, and I will announce it. I'm sorry, I'm sick as fuck. My nose is red as hell, by the way, so I might sound like I'm out of breath, and because I am. Let's go. All right. So this is what we still have, right? We have a lot of coins and we have to delete some. That's what we're going to do today. So we're going to end up with 15 coins, and that's what we are going to dollar cost into. First of all, what the fuck happened to Singularity Net, man? 80% gains overnight. Whoa! I wish we already bought that. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. But on the other hand, if you look at the crypto market at the moment, this is Rune. Let's go to Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin is, yeah, what can we say? What can we say? Bitcoin is, it broke out of its downtrend. So yeah, that's good. Now it's going sideways. We have the CPI data coming in today. I'm really curious what effect that's going to have. Altcoins are kind of bleeding as Bitcoin pretty much goes down sideways, but the dominance goes up. So altcoins are going down. So it might be already a good time to, put the first dollar cost in pretty soon, right? So that we already have exposure, because, Cake down 8% over the week. Joe down 15% over the week. It's not even in this 20 cents anymore. Like Alliance Block down 15%. A lot of projects are down, and they look like, yeah, this might be a really good buy for now. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. Seeing the market going down is not fun, but it's what it is. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. It's going pretty fast. I love you guys a lot for this. Let's go over these coins really quick. So I already, I was trying to shoot this video while not all the videos were already released. So I didn't release that video, but some coins are already deleted. Right, so we're just going to take a look at the comments right here to see what people are talking about, right? Now, one thing that I noticed, for example, someone says OMI went from being overvalued at the time to undervalued. Well, good project. Yeah, has a lot of likes. Right, people say, yeah, it's quite different, right? Because it's not like I'm talking about Cake, Mina, Ikami, Casper Network, and Rose. Well, if I look in the comments, nobody said something about Casper Network, right? So that's one that's not in the portfolio anymore. I already deleted that because, yeah, people didn't want Casper in the portfolio, I guess, right? OMI. Let me go to my cheat sheet right here. OMI, yeah. So people were talking about OMI. I would look into the team behind it, and they do good stuff. They have partnering with Disney, Marvel, here OMI. So people were talking a lot about OMI. So, you know, OMI is going to stay in the crypto portfolio. Get rid of Rose. Someone says keep Cake. I personally think we should keep Cake. There were no other people talking about Cake. So in that case, like, you know, the most votes go for Cake. So yeah, Cake is going to get in the portfolio as well. OMI is staying in the portfolio as well. And Mina was staying in the portfolio as well, because I had some good comments about Mina, Rose as well, but it was like we had to have one of the two basically, right? So it was Mina or Rose. I got in previous videos more response about Mina than Rose, so in this case Mina stays in the portfolio. So we got Pancake Swap, Mina and Ikami. And let me take a look real quick. Pokedex, Omi, Rose, or Mina. Mina. What should go? Rose should go. Mina should stay, I guess. All right. I will show you the sheet in a second. Let's go to the next video, because for this, like, Loop Network is not about this video. He just agrees with me as well. Next run, instead of Bitboing, do a coin bureau or meme portfolio. Yeah, pretty good idea. Pretty good idea. I like it. All right, cool. Let's go to the next one. This was about Cadena, Flux, IMX, Ergo, and Nervous Network. I didn't like Nervous Network. I felt like CKB was not a good project. Well, not a good project sounds very negative. Was not a project that I can see do very big things. But the community thought different. So it's a community portfolio, right? So CKB, Moon, CKB over $1 over. Let me take a real quick look what CKB is. It's not even 3 cents. With a market cap of, okay, that's not gonna happen, but CKB. So a lot of people were talking about that. I was only here for Nervous Network and got no information. It's not a video about Nervous Network. It's just a real quick, like, I'm just explaining what are the tokenomics, team, what is it real quick, and to the next one, right? So it's not a review video or anything. But a lot of people all see KB, right? So, and for the rest, Flux, for example, nobody here said something about Flux. So I deleted Flux as well. I think there's no Flux in this portfolio anymore. Let me take a look. Yeah, there's no Flux anymore, so Flux is gone. I talked about IMX. Nobody said something about IMX as well. So IMX is, I think, also already gone. Yeah, IMX is gone. We have Ergo, where people talking about Ergo in here. Ergo. No comments about Ergo. And I felt like it should go, so Ergo is gone as well. So we have Cadena and Nervous Network. So Nervous Network is going to stay, so that's CKB. And Cadena, let me take a look. Do I have Cadena here? Okay, cool. So people weren't talking really much about Cadena. There was someone that says, yeah, here Cadena, his target is $50 up to $100. I don't know. It has to do 50 or 100x. If it has 100x, it has a $20 billion market cap. Yeah, if Cadena goes absolutely crazy and we have that in combination with an absolute crazy bull run, then it's not impossible though, but I don't know. But Cadena, so I'm gonna write that down, and we end up with more than 15 anyway, so we're gonna delete some, but that's a very easy choice because we have to just delete 2 or anything. So please keep watching or just scroll to the end of the video and need your opinion about that, right? And then we have Cadena, Flux, IMX, oh yeah, and Nervous, so that's going to stay. So that's for that video. Then it's getting low capper and low capper all the time, right? So, all right, so this was a funny one because LCX, I said about LCX like, hell no, hell no. LCX, I don't like the project. Why? It's an exchange, right? And if I look at Binance, if I look at KuCoin, I feel like, oh, they got so much cool stuff and original stuff. I want to sign up there. I want to use it, right? If I look at LCX, I feel like there's nothing in here that makes me want to use this platform. It has no trading volume, basically, right? It's the exchange, right? And if we look at the exchange, then you have to look at the trading volume because that's basically a reflection of the success of the exchange. 20-hour volume, right, of 250,000. Is that really the case? Like that's wow. No, that's nothing. So LCX does nothing. The working product basically isn't working. It's not gonna succeed in my opinion. I mean, it could be really early, of course, but then again, it's already founded in 2020, and I'm probably stepping on some toes right here because a lot of people seem to like LCX. Like LCX is updating the exchange on Monday, October 10. Well, somebody else said that as well. Like, oh, there's gonna be a big day for LCX. Yeah, but that's just an update, right? That's not a reason to FOMO into a project for the long run. And if you look at what the price chart did by then, October 10, that was a few days ago, like there was a little buy the rumor, sell the news going on, right? It went from, 4.5 cents to 6 cents. And right after that, it fell down again. That's always what happens with that kind of stuff. And it's like... So that was nothing, right? Maybe in the long run, if there was a very big update, it will be a very big success. But the exchange, like, it has no volume. So again, LCX, yeah. I don't know. Again, if it was new, okay, but it's already 2 years old and it accomplished nothing in 2 years. So yeah, I don't know why it should do great in the coming 2 years, to be honest, but. Whatever, it's your choice. Maybe there were just LCX bots or whatever, and I'm buying it because of bots. That would be something. Bitcoin is not holding the 19K as we speak. Too bad. All right, but LCX, cool. Here as well, LCX is worth an investment. They are small now, but growing every day. Yeah. I don't know if they are growing every day, like now. Let me check out statistics. This is the trading volume since the look. If you look at 1 year, is this 1 year? No, this is not 1 year. Come on, trading volume, exchange. Come on, this isn't working, man. Oh fuck! There we go. Look, over the last year, right, or the last year, they're growing. Okay, so. Yeah, it's like they have these spikes where people were trading a lot on one day, but it always comes down to a bottom where there's absolutely trash volume, right? And that has never changed. So they're not growing. Basically, this is not growth. It's surviving. So yeah, whatever. LCX is going to get in there though. Joe is going to provide fantastic returns. Also some likes on that. I feel like Joe should stay, so Joe should stay. ALBT has a couple of exchange listings. It will list on Coinbase soon. Okay, that's great. ALBT is going to be huge. Okay, LCX. ALBT should be on your radar. LCX. So ALBT. Yes, one person doesn't like LCX as well. You have no idea what LCX is all about. Educate yourself. I was like, I'm literally checking it out on cam. That's sad. What the fuck? It's not. Okay, cool, bro. Okay, cool. So ALBT and LCX from this video, and the rest has to go, right? So yeah, ALBT and oh yeah, one person said, by the way, singularity should stay, and yeah, someone else agrees. ALBT, singularity, and LCX. Oh yeah, and Joe, shit. So we only gonna delete AK. Right, so let's go back to the crypto portfolio. I think I have deleted it though. Community challenge, so ALBT. Let me take a look at this. AJX is something else, right? Let me take a look real quick. That's singularity. That should stay. ALBT, someone says. Yeah, Joe. I got it there as well. Sorry, I'm not updating these videos, so I can just throw them out as quick as possible. All right, and LCX. So only ACA is going to get out of it. I think, yeah, it's already deleted. So that one goes. And we are now getting there, because now we are going to, you know, this I haven't updated yet, really. Cool thing, this video didn't get a lot of responses. Didn't get a lot of views as well yet, by the way. But, you know, a small channel, still beginning here. I've RFox myself. Good play. Yeah, I like RFox as well. So I think that RFox should stay in this portfolio. Someone says VXV is only $40 million market cap. It deserves to be much higher. They get a lot of partnerships. Don't get shaken out of this token during the bear market. Yeah, VXV is, I reviewed it as well. And in my opinion, community VXV. What did I say about VXV? I don't know it anymore. VXV. Let me check. I don't know what it was. Why I thought that I like this project. The only thing I like with this project is the price movement. Oh yeah. VXV was a really weird ass project with a very ugly website and no information and all that. So, like, what the hell? But yeah, the price movement, the price, it really did nothing. Shot all the way up and came just as hard down and did a whole lot of nothing as well. Yeah, I don't care what the project is. If it goes up again, I'm fine with it. So VXV, okay, cool. That could stay then, in my opinion. So then we get left with Opulus and Findora, and these could go, right? Opulus, Opal, and Fina. Oh, no, that's the Fina Finance, Findora. So Opulus and Findora. So I think it's already gone. Yeah, and Findora. Yeah, that's gone as well. Okay, so now we are going to delete stuff, actually, because here I didn't have done this yet. Here we discussed Polkadex, Engine Starter, WAM, and AK. So, so these names sometimes, man. I'm too Dutch for that. So, you know, not a lot of input right here. This I didn't really understand. Engine Starter seems to be high risk, high reward. So you could consider investing 50% of the money what you planned with for each coin. Okay, so then I'm invest less in Polk Starter than in the rest is what you mean, right? Or Engine Starter. I don't know. Let me take a look. Well, though, out you should post more. Thanks. Well thought out. Okay, whatever. Polkadex has only 3 mil in circular. 3 million, I think you mean? I thought it was like 7.5 million though. Best coins out there. Yeah, but these are not for this video. Polkadex. Yeah, I agree on Polkadex. And I got no input on this one, one, and on this one. So these are going to get deleted right now. So let me check. One is going to get deleted. Nobody felt like keep that. Then we got copy. So we're going to delete that as well. Copy. It's already deleted, I guess. And one XEQ. All right, so XEQ was also already deleted. I'm front running myself for some reason. Cool. Engine starter, by the way, is really doing great. I also participated in a launch not too long ago. Launch didn't really succeeded because, you know, it was a bear market, and Engine Starter again said like, okay guys, here you have your complete refund. So now I'm getting 3K just like, oh yeah, thanks, right? If I would have got that token, I would got like 1.5K or something like that. So Engine Starter is really, I see them go like crazy. One single left, last one. God damn it, how do you say that? Well, two to go. This one I got a little more responses. This about Loop Network, Seedify, SNFTS in specific, Quint, Defina Finance, Corium. Right. All right. So thanks for reviewing Quint. My decision is all yours. Right. Cool. Well, I suggested 40x in the bear market, so I thought it would do more in the next bull run. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're gonna take a look at that. What did the rest say? I've been vocal about Loop Network. Team is not doxed. Yeah, Loop. Yeah, I don't know, man. Loop Network is a 10 billion plus market cap. I thought like Loop Network has 7 million or something like that. Yeah, Loop Network is definitely not 10 billion, bro. Let me check. Maybe it's like it's a new coin. It's very low. It's like it has nothing yet, basically. 6 million. Yeah, no, it's 7 million because almost everything is in circulation as well. It's not even, it's like $6-7 million, not 10 billion, bro. No. If that happened, it would be around like $4 or something like that, right? No, that's not happening. Let me see. Fomo Factory to the moon. Can you make a video about ZCX? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, SNFTS, right? SNFTS. Yeah, I totally agree on that. That's staying in the portfolio. You suggested Defina Finance, also definitely staying in the portfolio. So Seedify stays. Corium, I didn't have any input on Core, I think, right? Let me check. No input about Core. So Core can go. It wasn't my favorite. So it goes. Bye. So Corium goes. And Defina stays. Quint. Let me take a real quick look at Quint again. Quint. Reviewing Quint. Thanks for that. Yeah, no problem. I don't know what I thought about Quint. What? Let me see. Right. How do they? When do they get that and all that? Like that's kind of important. Oh yeah, Quint didn't have their information on point. Oh yeah, no, this was a very no. Yeah, no. Yeah. One person basically says, yeah, this is what Quinn does, but the decision is all yours. I accept your suggestion that the decision is mine, and I will delete Quint. Why? Well, because of what I reviewed right here. Quint looks new. It looks like incomplete. It looks like a shitcoin basically. It doesn't have its shit together. So sorry, but Quint is not for me at all. I don't think that Quint will do better than most of the coins right here. Hell no. I could be wrong in that case, sorry, but you know, no. So Quint, yeah, and Loop Network, man. People, you know, one person basically said something about Loop Network. that's this right here. So remember, basically I got a ad. I had a little already, but after your first video on Loop, I went full bore and now sitting on more money in a strong micro cap than I dreamed possibly for me. The multiple X's since then. Yeah, and that's what I liked also about Loop Network. Like, it was very new, very new, very new, very new. And in the short term, you can make a lot of money with that. If it's that much of a long-term hold, I don't know. I don't know, but I'll leave it in there for now because I don't have enough. You know, I know people are really talking about Loop for so far. So yeah, don't forget to explain why Rune is in your portfolio. We are curious. Rune. I'll make a video about Rune. Rune has fucking awesome tokenomics. So to put it like that, really shortly, and the product is insane. Yeah, I think Room will be very big, but that's something else. Then the last one. This was about Soul Chicks, BeamSwap, United, Decentralized United, and A0. So let's take a look at this. So in my opinion, before I'm gonna read a few comments, I like Soul Chicks a little. By the way, the token vesting was a little bad, but for the rest, yeah, this is a really high risk, high reward. And what else did I like about that? I think that was everything. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, someone said like Glint did $1 million in volume just yesterday. Yeah, but no, that's not true. So let's take a look at that because I get what you're saying, but that's not really the case. Look, this is Glint. This is the native token of the BeamSwap exchange, right? And if we look at the exchange, you can launch the app right here and you have your analytics where you can find a lot of stuff. So here, analytics, and here you can see the volume of the exchange, right? And the volume, it did a lot of volume. Indeed, 1.5 million, 800,000, but this is where the volume comes from, right? These liquidity pairs, for example, so Poop and Moonbeam token and all that, and these are the top tokens, right? So if you look at the tokens and you search by volume, Moonbeam, Poop token, multi-USDC, multi-ETH, Tether, you know, all these things. But that's the exchange. I was talking about the token itself, right? And the token itself has no volume. Like, people use the exchange, but people don't give a fuck about the token of the exchange. So what they need to do is, well, hope for the best that Moonbeam becomes very big, of course, because we don't know that yet. I think it has potential, but it has a long way to go. Also, these tokenomics are not that fine, though. And what they need to do is try to figure out, like, how can we make our native token, how can we give that some more use cases, in my opinion? Because I really like it, and it is the leading DEX from what I know on Moonbeam, right? If we look at DeFi Llama, for example, as well, and we go to chains and we search for Moonbeam, something around here, yeah. And we look at BeamSwap. Well, it's not the leading DEX, that's StellaSwap, by the way, but it's close. So BeamSwap, you know, BeamSwap, StellaSwap, it's one of the two, right? But what they need to do, they have to provide some more utility to the token itself, right? Because, you know, you have this launchpad, and maybe you can have to participate with the BeamSwap token, with the Glint token right here. I don't think the Glint token has something to do with the launchpad. You know, I need to do some research to the platform, because this is just what I'm seeing, right? I can tell in like 10 minutes or something like that. But again, like what I said, the platform is great. The platform does very well. In fact, it's a bear market. People are bored out of crypto already, right? So there are not a lot of people to begin with. Then Moonbeam is like not really there yet. I basically myself don't know any projects now that are out there being built on Moonbeam. There are, but not like it's not mainstream shit or anything yet. But still, they get some decent volume on their exchange. Like, not that 1 million is a lot or anything. Like, if you, I don't know, look at Pancakes. Well, look at PancakeSwap. I don't know where I can see that. maybe you have it somewhere here. Analytics. I don't even know, man. What I'm trying to say is that this probably has way more volume than that, right? So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Pancake swap version 2 out here. Exchange. Probably we can see it here. Look, if we find it here, like, yeah, the most active trading pair is this pair with a trading volume of what the fuck, right? That's just that pair. If you look, like PancakeSwap has a trading volume of 80 million. That's right, like 80 times as much than Moonbeam on its best day, right? So they really have to provide something, some utility, some use cases that makes Clint, that makes people want to get Clint, basically, right? Because the platform is being used, but the token, nobody cares about the token yet. And I think they can make that happen. But that what was, sorry, long story, but that was what I'm saying, right? So it's like, sorry to put it, but it was not completely true what you say right here. Hey mate, I'm the CMO from BeamSwap. We'll be happy to connect you so I can educate you on a lot of things that you have missed on top of the feature. Yeah, cool, man. Cool. Look, and I'm going to do my research. Like, what you saw was already what I knew. So I was looking 10 minutes at the project and I was talking about it. Like, of course, I cannot tell something about it after I really looked deep into it. But this is just my first side review, basically. Somebody else, though, says Moonbeam is a gem. Every project got to start somewhere. And that's definitely true. That's definitely true. They are a new project in a bear market on an undervalued chain. So they have the odds against them. But it's also a big opportunity because I think that team is working hard. But they should make it more easy. For example, like I said on the last video on the website, like put your tokenomics there, put your team out there. If you are docs, if you're not docs, I don't know. But put a reason why not. Otherwise, people keep on searching for what's not to be found. There are some things, in my opinion, that need some improvement. But yeah, you got to start somewhere, indeed. And I mean, everything is on point. It's working, right? So that's already good. And they do have some decent volume coming in, right? So yeah. Possible to hit $100 million market cap. Well, I don't know about that. But yeah, everything is possible. So nobody said something about A0. I would have thought that people, would have liked A0. Nobody said something about United as well. And another one I already deleted because I thought it sucked. So now we got this left. We got 1, 2. Wait, let me refresh it real quick. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 18. So we got to unexpected error. You're giving me errors if I'm trying to delete some crap. All right. I think it's gone. Right, so we got 18 left. So 3 of these got to go. Sorry again for the long video. But now, we have to... Why every time I move, my camera is... 3 got to go, right? We have... fuck. Right, so these are the high caps. Again, these are the... God damn it, fuck it. These are the high caps. I tend to delete a high cap. And these are the mid caps, and these are the low caps. We need to delete 3, right? Leave a comment. I'm gonna put this in the Fomo Factory Telegram as well. And then we got our initial 15, right? So then we can finally start dollar cost averaging into this bitch. Very curious to see, which one it are going to be. So please leave a comment and we're done with this. We can start this challenge and just dollar cost, be patient, do research, dollar cost more. And then if the bull run comes, you get the portfolio. Maybe not this one. Maybe Alex Becker's portfolio is going to win, or BitBoy. But, you know, we are building the best portfolio for now. So that's it for now, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Love you guys a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye.